husband wants to eat more of the red bean soil. Let's harvest more. I'm about to prepare our brunch. We got different chorizo. They have Peruano, Salvadoreño, Calabresa. We have tried this. This is Brazilian. And then this one is Colombiano. Oh, interesting. Mexicano. Ecuadorian. Yesterday. This is chorizo peruano. And then the other one is chorizo ecuatoriano. I'll probably prepare this peruano first. And then eggs. Then I'll prepare peruano, huh? Yep. Okay. And I'm making coffee too. Plantain and sausage, rice, and eggs. These flowers are beautiful. I was wondering if I should pick this one or the bougainvillea. But this, or maybe this one. Something different, right? You hear the bees buzzing. A lot of bees here right now. They love these flowers. Beautiful. These are the flowers that I picked from the front yard garden. Yeah. We're having brunch here in our backyard. The weather is perfect for a backyard brunch. Let's harvest red bean sorrel and chives. And then my harvest. We're having our weekend brunch here in our backyard garden. We have plantain, sausages, Peruvian sausages, eggs, more eggs there, salsa left over from last night, coffee, and then rice. The flowers are from the front yard. Let's eat. Ganda no, ano no, look at that. The red bean sorrel.
We're having a Saturday brunch prepared by Mom.
Husband wants to eat more of the red bean soil. Let's harvest more. This is like really good actually, and they are very resilient like plant. They grow year round here in Los Angeles, and they make like any dish like really pretty. See. And here's our leftover for later if you get hungry. Look at our plants, and there are a lot of birds right now. The gorgeous lilies.
North Africa and East Africa would be unguarded. Holy smokeroos! Woo-wee! I'm gonna place one heavy and daddy. I wanna lose this.
Payback time.
So I'm moving my Roman legion to India so we can attack China.
And I conquer Europe.
And then you get no, because like I don't have any troops here and I can't like just like move, move.
Ah yeah. Oh yeah, you're
I have
right.
to go through Brazil.
So your choice is Brazil or attack me in Egypt or East Africa.
I won 3 continents: Europe, Asia, and South America.
Come on. And Pacific.
Pacific,
Australia.
yeah. All these flowers. And then there will be new sprouts and new flowers very soon. I'm having ice cream. Time for ube ice cream. Only like a little bit left. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. There you go. I need to get more. It's almost like gone. There you go. Beautiful ubi ice cream. We're meeting a friend here at Pardis Baguette. Hi Josh, what did you get? We met a friend at Pardis Baguette. And now we have like a box of like for our neighbor. I am making pasta for tonight's dinner and I am using this calamarata. They are shaped like calamari. And then I have like seafood mix here. I will cook the pasta first. This takes about earlier the AC was on. This takes about 13 to 14 minutes to cook. At the same time, I will prepare the seafood mix. For the pasta sauce, I'm using this Rao's homemade marinara sauce. Josh, do you like pasta? You like pasta?
Yeah.
Josh has like a final. Josh has his final. Come here, Josh.
It's a math exam.
Josh has his final math exam today. And what's your score?
98% higher than my whole class.
Yes, congratulations, Josh.
Thank you.
And then tomorrow, what's your like tomorrow what's your finals?
ELA.
ELA.
English Language Arts.
There you go. And then Friday science, right? STEAM, the STEAM class.
Yes. STEAM stands for science. Wait, hold up. Science, technology, engineering, arts, and math.
Now let's add the seafood. Six minutes to go for the pasta. And we have our basil here. I'll just like harvest. This should be good. This is my basil harvest. And the basil from the backyard garden. Let's eat. The pasta dinner is ready with basil from here, from the backyard garden. And I'm just waiting for the boys. It's a lovely evening right now. It's already like past 8 o'clock actually. And it's still bright. Now we're playing Uno. Here are my cards.
I win.
Good job, Josh. Whoever wins this last race is going to be the winner. Good job.
What a rally! 3 straight games.
Yeah, I was 2 straight. You were 2 straight. Josh was 3 straight. Good job, Josh. I'm stopping by here at Porto's to get some pastries for a friend. Beautiful cakes. Four. And then for guava cheese. Do you have guava cheese too though? 4. And here's my Porto. Oh, the fountain is working.
Yeah, the fountain is working.
Apple strudel and guava strudel. You like apple strudel, right?
Yeah.
Almond
both
croissant.
almond, so this is.
I'm going to this place, Capriotti's. Capriotti sandwich shop. Let's check this out. Where's their menu? Early at Capriotti's picking up sandwiches for snacking. Early at Capriotti's. This is our 3rd time this week. Hi, buddy.
Hi.
I will plant some like new plants, some new flowers on the side. Like these flowers. So let's try this. Okay. And this one, and then so you just like push, twist, and then pull. See? Awesome, right? This is actually a really hard soil, but it made like this tool made it like super easy to do. So you just push, and then you twist, and then you pull. This comes with this thing that is serrated, like so it could dig into like really hard soil. This is made of stainless steel, which is like really durable, and it is not going to corrode. So I just need to install this to this one. Let me put this first, because this is the only thing that you need to do. Just putting this here, and then perfect height too. And then the soil would be inside, and you just empty it from the other side. So see, easy. Now let's plant some of these beautiful flowers. Which one first? Let's put this here. So I'm like treated when I plant. There you go, perfect. The plants have been planted using this like a tool. I planted zinnias and cosmos. This is cosmos, and this one too, and 4 zinnias. So 6. You can also use this to uproot some roots. Like for example, I highly recommend this super awesome multi-use garden tool. The link is down below if you are interested. Today is the last day of school. 6th grade, right? Congrats, Josh. Josh, that's really fast. Now we are going to. Where are we going, Josh?
The swimming party.
Swimming party. End of school year, like swimming party, right? We're here now. Hi, Josh.
Hello.
We are like 5 minutes early. Smile. We're 5 minutes early. Can I see your smile? So we're waiting a little bit before we go there.
Joanna would con tequila look.
Beautiful. This is my drink. It's so pretty. This is watermelon but without alcohol. But it has a lot of different kinds of alcohol. How's your burger? JD! And we're leaving now. Did you have fun?
Yes, I did. Most adrenaline-inducing thing is when pushing me off of the bouncy thing.
Oh my gosh!
Did you see me? Like he pushed me off, and then I was like,
Going to this place, Pardis. We got Pardis, and here's the menu. This is the Pardis Restaurant. They have appetizers. We are getting this one, Monsieur, and then this one, Kashiko Batinchon. And then they have soup. Then we have salads, and we're getting gourmet sushi. So we're getting
Thank you.
we're getting the kasay kebab. And then
Ito yung
I'm not sure yet. This is the badinjan. Casco badinjan. This one. And the other one is the mas musia. Hi guys. Hi Josh. Hi mommy. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to you po.
Our bread. The eggplant. So good now. This is super yummy. Warm is happy. And then the rice and then the kebab.
We're here at Pardis Restaurant. Give and mommy's gift, right? For my birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Florence.
Florence.